Have you ever felt a shiver down your spine during a seance? Or watched a pendulum seemingly move on its own? It feels like magic, like a connection to another world. But what if I told you the puppet master isn't a ghost, but your own mind? Today, we're diving deep into the ideomotor effect, the fascinating psychological phenomenon where your body acts on your thoughts without you even realizing it. Let's start with the classic example, the Ouija board. Imagine it's a Saturday night. The lights are low, and everyone's fingers are resting lightly on the planchette. A question is asked, and slowly it begins to move, spelling out an answer. Spooky, right? But here's the twist. Everyone at the table subconsciously expects an answer. Their brains send tiny, imperceptible signals to their hand muscles, pushing the planchette towards the letters they anticipate. No spirits required, just the power of suggestion working on a group scale. It's not a conscious push. It's your brain pulling the strings. This brings us to the honest liar. This isn't about deception, but self-deception. Think of someone using dowsing rods to find water. They genuinely believe the rods are reacting to an underground spring. But in reality, their belief that water should be nearby causes minuscule muscle movements that make the rods cross. They aren't lying when they say they felt a pull. Their body is just acting out their belief. They are the honest liar, convinced by a trick their own mind is playing. Want to see it in action? Try the pendulum test. Tie a small weight, like a ring, to a string. Hold it perfectly still and think about it swinging forward and backward. Don't try to move it, just visualize it. After a moment, you'll see it start to swing, just as you imagined. Now, think about it swinging side to side. It will change direction. This isn't magic. It's the ideomotor effect in its purest form. Your thoughts are creating micro movements in your hand, amplified by the pendulum. Now, let's look at the darker side of this effect. Take facilitated communication, a controversial technique once used to help nonverbal individuals communicate. A facilitator would support the person's hand as they typed on a keyboard. Miraculous messages appeared, revealing complex thoughts. But rigorous studies showed a disturbing truth. When the facilitator couldn't see the same images or hear the same questions as the patient, the typed answers matched what the facilitator knew, not the patient. The facilitators, with the best of intentions, were unknowingly guiding the hand, creating a voice that wasn't there. It's a heartbreaking example of the ideomotor effect leading people astray. So, is this all just a glitch in our brains? A modern bug in our system? Not really. The ideomotor effect is a fundamental part of how we operate. It's the same principle that helps you catch a ball without consciously calculating its trajectory, or how thinking about a delicious meal can literally make your mouth water. It's the bridge between thought and action. Understanding it doesn't take away the magic from the world. It just shows us that the most incredible, mysterious, and powerful force might just be the one inside our own heads. What do you think? Have you ever experienced something you now believe was the ideomotor effect? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the mind, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.